Bitzer, a major player in the heating and cooling industry, just secured a $5 million federal grant to boost their production of heat pump components in Syracuse, New York. But there's more to the story than just the money. There's also a significant political angle. I'm Kata, welcome to Net Zero Tech. So what's the deal with this $5 million? Bitzer received this grant through the Defense Production Act, which is a big deal because it shows how critical heat pump technology has become. The push towards electrification and clean energy is stronger than ever, and Bitzer is set to play a key role in making that happen. The funding will allow Bitzer to increase their manufacturing capacity for electric heat pump components. This isn't just about ramping up production, it's also about creating new good paid jobs in central New York. And that's great news for the local economy. One of the people behind the scenes, Senator Chuck Schumer. Schumer played a pivotal role in securing the grant for Bitzer. As a Senate Majority Leader, Schumer has been a strong advocate for clean energy and job creation, especially in his home state of New York. His influence in the Senate allowed him to prioritize the funding and make sure it came through for Bitzer. But why is Schumer's involvement so significant? Individual senators, especially those in leadership positions, can have a massive impact on where federal funds are allocated. But Bitzer isn't the only company benefiting from the push towards heat pumps. In total, 4 companies received a combined $85 million from the Department of Energy to ramp up heat pump production. The other companies that received funding were as follows. A.O. Smith in Tennessee is set to receive $25 million to modernize its manufacturing facilities for the high volume production of heat pump water heaters. Daikin Comfort Technologies North America will receive $39 million to retrofit its Texas facility to include both air-to-air and air-to-water heat pump technology. Daikin air-to-water heat pumps, which are new to the US market, are recognized as an energy-efficient alternative to traditional combustion boilers. Modine Manufacturing Company in Longview, Texas will benefit from an award of $15.7 million for the production of high-performance industrial electric heat pumps. Modine will also use the funds to upgrade its school heat pump manufacturing facility in Rhode Island. Like Daikin, the company anticipates a growing demand for electric air-to-water heat pumps. What I think is particularly interesting about this grant is that Bitzer stands out as a smaller company compared to the other recipients. Bitzer's annual revenue is around $935 million, which is significant, but much smaller when you compare it with the other companies involved. For example, A.O. Smith, which is set to receive $25 million, has an annual revenue of approximately $4.6 billion. Daikin, which is receiving the largest share of $39 million, has a slagging annual revenue of around $22 billion, making it the largest HVAC manufacturer in the world. Modine received $15 million and has an annual revenue of about $2.2 billion. Despite Bitzer's smaller size, their expertise in the HVAC industry has positioned them as a key player in the push towards clean energy, showing that even smaller companies can make a big impact. So what does all of this mean? Bitzer's $5 million grant is a testament to the growing importance of clean energy technologies like heat pumps. It also shows how crucial political support can be in driving these initiatives forward. With leaders like Chuck Schumer advocating for these advancements and companies like Bitzer leading the way, there are significant steps being taken to a greener, more sustainable future. Thank you very much for watching. Special thanks to Michael Huskin, Victor Vidal, Sergio Velasquez, and Bill Eastman. Like, subscribe, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye.